Hello, my name is Andre. I'm here to talk about animals.
Now,
So the first animal that I'm going to talk about is bats.
okay.
Bats can fly, and they're the only mammal
Reste assis, chérie.
who flies. So, when bats see a bug
They're the only mammal.
to flies,
Okay. What different?
and if they see a bug, they get it. And if they're not going to get a bug, they get fishes. If the fishermen, I'm talking about fisherman bats. So they fly, and they can eat fishes. They eat fishes, and they eat even little tiny little water drips, and they can do it with echolocation.
Echolocation. That's right.
And you can, in the next step, that I can talk about is woolly mammoth.
Attends, chérie. On fait une petite pause, d'accord? Attends. Vas-y.
The next.
The next animal you can do is woolly mammoth.
Parle bien, sinon on pourra pas comprendre ce que tu dis dans le film.
What about woolly mammoths?
Woolly mammoths. That they have a trunk and they no more now.
Yeah.
Il n'y en a plus? Tu es sûr qu'il n'y en a plus?
Il n'y en a plus qui sont vrais.
Il y en a qui sont pas vrais?
Ils sont pas vrais.
Où est-ce qu'ils sont?
Et que le squelette de mammouth.
Il n'y a que les squelettes de mammouth?
Oui.
Et où est-ce qu'on en trouve des squelettes de mammouth? Est-ce qu'on peut en trouver quelque part?
North America.
We are woolly mammoths.
That's where they used to be. It was in North America and somewhere. I can't remember the other place.
In California.
Really? Yes. Danville, even.
Et les tigres, il y en a encore les tigres à dents de sabre?
Non.
Où est-ce qu'ils vivaient avant?
Ils vivaient comme ici en vie.
Ils vivaient en Californie?
Oui.
Ah bon? Et maintenant il n'y en a plus?
Oui, mais que le squelette qui coûte ça.
Est-ce qu'il y a encore des vrais tigres?
Et des tigres de rayures.
Ah oui, où est-ce qu'on les trouve ceux-là?
Et les blancs, ils sont blancs et noirs.
Et où est-ce qu'ils vivent?
Je sais pas.
Je sais pas.
Okay, what's the next animal you're going to talk about?
The next animal I can talk about is saber-toothed tigers.
Oh, okay.
So saber-toothed tigers eat other animals, and they eat like dinosaurs. They eat dinosaurs
Ooh.
and woolly mammoths, and they have big giant teeth,
Mm-hmm.
and they swim so good
Oh,
that they live in dinosaur forests.
okay.
Where the woolly mammoths
What was that
live.
thing you were just talking about that you were saying I would be scared of? What was it before we turned on the video?
Je sais pas. Dinosaure?
Oh, he was saying you would be really scared, I think. It's really scary. I can't remember what it was. What's the most scary animal in the whole world?
Dino.
I mean now, the ones that are still here.
Shark.
That's true. Why are sharks scary?
They Because they're gonna eat us.
Mm-hmm. What's the nicest, most gentle animal in the whole world?
Kitty.
Oh. Okay, what's the next animal you want to talk about?
The next animal that I talk about is sharks.
Okay.
So sharks have sharp teeth. And the big whites can jump out of the water and get seals.
Mm-hmm.
And sharks eat fishes, seals, whales,
Reste bien
dolphins,
assis, chérie.
and they even eat walruses.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh.
But they like walruses, so they can eat them.
They have to eat.
Yeah, so you need to eat walruses.
They have to feed their baby sharks.
Yeah, baby sharks are not so big.
Est-ce
Non.
qu'ils mangent des pingouins aussi?
Yeah, they eat some.
Oh,
Yep, they need to eat something.
well, that's true.
They don't. And the thing that they don't eat coral,
Mm-hmm.
rocks. They don't eat rocks.
Mm-hmm.
And
Est-ce qu'ils mangent des algues?
they don't eat those.
You don't eat algae?
No.
Now, tell us about, if you were going to do a nature show, what would you say to the camera when you did your nature show?
Woolly mammoth.
You'd say, hey kids, let's learn about woolly mammoths.
And they're going to say, we're not going to learn about woolly mammoth. We're going to learn about monsters.
Oh, you think the kids aren't interested in woolly mammoths?
And they're not going to be interested in nothing that I like. They're going to be interested in monsters, so we're going to talk about, we're going to do a movie about bad monsters.
Oh, that's boring.
And then I can say, no, kids, I don't think you're going to like it because it's going to be scary.
That's
You're
right.
going to say, maybe it's not going to be scary, but maybe it is. Maybe we should try woolly mammoth. Okay. Maybe we could say that.
That sounds really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Some people don't like animals and are not nice and have pets, but they give their pets away
That's right.
C'est pas gentil, ça.
because they don't like animals.
That's right. What would you tell them?
That we can't take pets away
That's right.
because then the policeman will not be happy at that person.
C'est vrai.
I want an orange.
You want an orange?
Yeah, an orange.
So you say, kids, if you get a pet, you should keep your pet. Treat it nice, right?
Okay.
We wouldn't give Sabo away, would we?
No, but so
You want to show the camera your orange? Show it to the video. Say this.
it's an orange. This is an orange.
And now I'm going to eat it.
Now I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat this one.
Oui. Ouais. Ouais. Ouais.
Andre, look at Papa.
Ah.
Do that.
À la caméra. Avec tes doigts. Vas-y.
It'll be funny when you watch it later. Make a funny face in the camera. Uh-oh, I hear an animal outside of our window. And
It's
what is that?
the blue jay.
Tell us all about the blue jay.
No.
We like to hear about the blue jay.
No, he's mean.
Do we like him?
No.
Yes, we do.
No, he's mean.
I love the blue jay.
No, he eats all the food from the other.
He needs to eat.
Yeah, but I don't like when he eats the other food.
He's a big birdie.
Ah, il est en train de taper sur une branche. Comme un pivert. T'as vu?
What bird do you like?
Eagle.
Look in the camera. Talk about the eagle.
Eagle.
Tell us all about the eagle.
No.
You don't want to do your nature show?
No, I don't want to make it, but I said that. I said eagle. A boat. Boats, dun 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 dun, boats everywhere.
Show the camera the boat. This is,
A boat.
Andre likes to call that a boat when he peels his oranges.
Peel.
You know how to do that part?
Boink, boink. It's a sea anemone!
Oh, you gonna eat a sea anemone?
Who is seen an enemy?
Who is?
Who does?
Eats them? I'm sure people eat them. Probably in Japan or China they eat them.
Maybe some animals and sea anemones. Maybe the sperm whale does.
Maybe.
Yep, they eat sea anemones. They're animal sea anemones.
That's true. People probably eat them too.
They don't.
People eat that other spiny thing in France. What's that called?
Oursin.
Yeah. What's it called in English, though? I can never think of what it's called in English.
Comment tu dis oursin en anglais, chérie? Urchin?
Yeah, urchin. Sea urchin. Tell the camera